Do you want this tracker? Just download the file I put in my description and follow my step. First, drag this Better Tracker file into your Fusion. Right-click and choose Setting, then click Save As. Go back to Fusion folder and find Macros folder. Save it right here. After that, you can hit Shift Space or Control Space to open the Select tool and find Better Tracker in here and hit Add. Right here, just use it at normal. I will track his nose, or you can pick the one, have high contrast to track. After you're done, open Operation tab right here and turn on what axis do you want. Click it again to turn off. You can custom the motion blur or edges of the footage if you want. That's all. Hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Bye!